where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. He will make a way.
I am a good child. I am a God's child. I love my teachers. And I love my parents. Thank you. வணக்கம். அப்பா அம்மா ஆனவனே, அன்பு உள்ளம் கொண்டவனே, நன்றாய் உலகில் நான் வாழ நல்ல கல்வி தந்திடுவாய். உத்தமனாக நான் வாழ